Hey guys, I am trying a new hair bleaching kit. I picked this one because the packaging got me. It looks really good. Her blonde hair looks nice and not too warm, and it looks like it's highly effective. When I look at the color guide, it says that for dark hair, it actually turns it blonde. I don't really want this shade of blonde necessarily because that's not the look I'm going for. I'm going for more of a warmy, not too warm brown. Nothing drives me crazier than last time when I redid my hair and I didn't get enough lifting and enough lightness. So hopefully this bad boy does the trick. And if it turns out yellow or orange or a crazy color, then I'll just hop over to the store and get a toner to tone it down, right? Easy. So this comes with the developer cream, which I'm pretty familiar with, step 1, and then step 2 is the bleaching powder where you pour it in and then you take the lid and then you cover it and then you shake it, and then after you get it mixed well, then you add the lightening cream, step number 3, and then shake it again, and then I guess you're ready to get your hair done. So I've already sectioned my hair half up. I'm just going to do the bottom section. Not gonna use too much of the hair dye for my bottom section. I'm just gonna do more thicker and kind of, anyways, I will explain when I get to that part. Bleach powder is quite messy, so hopefully this will work better than trying to get it through that little spot. I'm gonna start with putting some in my hands. I like that this is thicker than the other kind that I usually use. Okay, I'm just gonna get a strand like this, and I'm just gonna start working the bleach into the strand. And making sure that I do a subtle, get it all in there. There we go. There we go. I think that one is good. More is better, I am learning. And we gotta bring that bleach all the way up. All the way up so that we can actually see the bleach. Okay, that one is done. Let's grab another piece. And it's probably not even quite enough for this kind of a piece here, but we will. I do want to save at least half of the hair dye for the top of my hair. So okay. I am trying to ensure all my face framing areas are saturated with hair dye. This is getting a little messy. So last time I just didn't get enough layers that were visible around my face. So that is my goal today, is to make sure all those layers are nice and visible. So I'm gonna be very careful, make sure that the application is smooth and okay, right? Make sure it's smooth. Not blotchy. Important pieces and making sure that they are nice and saturated. All the important pieces. Everywhere that I want colored has color. Let's do a couple new pieces to add to the puzzle. All right, so let's just do a final bleach for everything. I'm just trying to cover my hair the best that I can. So, let's see how this works. My hair together somehow. Hope for the best. I look crazy, but all in the name of DIY and all that good stuff, right? I'm going to go like this because I'm crazy. Oh, I still gotta breathe. All right, this is actually kind of cool. I can see, but I have all my face framing bleach covered, right? And I look kind of cool. All right, so let's do the 50 minutes. All right, so this came out pretty good. I'm very happy with it. I got my face framing lightning streaks that I wanted. And I would say this looks very much like a balayage. What do you guys think? Slightly. Honestly, it just looks good. I love these two pieces right here. Yep. I would totally do it again. It's not perfect, but it's also isn't over $300. It was, what, 15, like less than $15 box hair kit. Pretty good. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Thank you guys for watching.